camera. My name is Jamie. Hello guys. Hello. Nice to meet you. And I'll introduce our jungle river for you. But first of all, let me tell you some important reminder for you first. This is a water ride and you may get wet. And please take care of your electric bottle and watch your children. And don't stand up. Keep your hand inside the bowl to remain seated. Okay guys, let's see your right hand side, this way. It's a Thai tree house in the Thai sea here. If you go to the Thai tree house, let's see your left hand side has a dog here and you can take a walk to the Thai tree house. But so far as if you go to Thai it's not at home, so the Thai show is closed. But don't worry, you can take a picture of this beautiful building. Okay, now let's begin. Guys, over hand to see, you can see the two elephants. Welcome us. Okay, this is the elephant mother and the baby elephant. And you can see the mother is teaching the baby use the truck. It's really cute. Okay, let's see your other side. Other side is the elephant brother. It's a brother. It's taking a shower every day. So you can see a body over this. Look at this guy. You can see it's really loud. Look at this side, especially on the left hand side, it's really clear view. May get wet. So let's go. Okay, now we're safe, and we're going to the old temple. And you can see we have many big spiders for you. They can jump 20 feet, but don't worry, we will 10 feet. If they jump, we will jump over us. So my hands here have a gun. There's a two cobra to protect the gun. Let's see. Your left hand side is the cobra, big one. There's a big one. You will take us really crazy. Let's get out here. Look at this. Oh, and there's many cobra here. And don't touch them. And don't take your head inside because they may bite you. It's so cool and I can say cool. Okay, now let's introduce our friend. This is the professor for the game. The professor is sleeping here, but look at this. Man, it's like some like Spanish company here. Whoa! Oh, that's gunshot. Oh, it's the gorilla. What's going on? Okay, now we're entering to the Africa and you can see many animals here for you. And we have zebra and a giraffe on both sides. Let's see. This is the African elephant. Hello. Other side is the old one. Okay, let's keep moving. See? We're under the water. You can see that? And the hippo. They have a 6 stump. They are tested. And we will forever stay here and our home floor and never going back to the door. Drop into the water, dip and dip. Look at this. It's 5 people that's really scary people, so they jump on our phone. Look at this. Oh, I told you, it's really dangerous. And they are headhunter territory. They really like the skull, so please keep quiet. Whoa! Oh, let's get out here. Okay, look at this. I will go inside the volcano. Let's go. Let's go. Whoa. Whoa, this is the water and we turn right. Let's go here. There's a canyon of the god. Let's see. It's really cool, right? Look at this, your right hand side. There's a fire god here. Whoa, really now it's really hot. You cannot go. your left hand side. Give me this. This is a baby elephant. Really cute. Okay, now we're coming back to the dog. Thank you to join us in the jungle with us. Hope you fun. Remember my name. My name is Jimmy. If not, you can forget me. That's okay. Now we're coming back to the dog and don't stand up until my moon totally stop.